What does being queer mean? Queer is a word that has been reclaimed. Once hurtful and derogatory as a label, it's transformed now into a symbol of pride, power, and possibility. It's often used as an all-inclusive term, particularly by those who feel other specific labels are too restrictive or who have fluid or evolving identities. Being queer means your identity, your love, your self-expression lies outside the lines of traditional, normal definitions. It could describe someone who isn't straight, someone whose gender isn't binary, or someone who simply rejects fixed boxes altogether. For many, being queer is more than an identity. It's community, it's fluidity, it's the resistance to labels. It's the freedom to be fully yourself, even if there's no exact word for it. Queer means undefinable for me, and I'm really happy about that. Queer is expansive. It's very powerful. Queer is beautifully, inclusively human. And here's the magic. Embracing queerness doesn't separate us, it unites us. Because in honoring the unique shape of each soul, we start to create space for everyone. When people feel safe to be authentic, we stop hiding and shrinking or conforming, and instead we shine. That kind of living attracts deeper connection, healthier love, and more inclusive communities. We become more creative and effective, which makes us less afraid and less dividable by those who are afraid of diversity and those who want to control our lives, our outcomes, and economy. It's how we can build a world where difference is not just accepted, it's celebrated, where freedom ripples outward, inspiring others to live boldly too, for everyone, them included. Queerness isn't just about who you are, it's about the kind of reality where we can all create together, more honest, more vibrant, and more gloriously human.